Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone at the top. Then let's scroll down and go to Backup and Restore, and here tap on Backup in this Google Backup section. So now we have to tap on Turn On and tap on Next. Right here we have to tap on Add Account, and of course if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be simply able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it, so just tap on Add Account and confirm everything with your screen lock. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, totally up to you. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, here we've got it, so let's tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up. So we can back up photos and videos or other device data, or both, it's up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. And as you can see, here we've got the information that now our data is automatically backed up to Google account. And obviously here you can manage it, so you can turn on or off specific categories of the backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.